Hey everyone! Ever wondered how artificial intelligence is changing our daily lives? Well, get ready because today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI and its incredible impact on modern living. From smart homes that anticipate our needs to personalized healthcare recommendations, AI is everywhere. Imagine your fridge suggesting recipes based on what's inside or your car driving you to work while you relax. But that's not all. AI is also revolutionizing industries, making our cities smarter and even predicting natural disasters. The possibilities are endless, and we're just scratching the surface. But with all these advancements, there are important ethical questions we need to consider. How do we ensure privacy and fairness in an AI-driven world? If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology and its impact on our lives. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.